Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Dashain to all of you guys. In today's video, I'm going to do Dashain makeup look. This makeup look, which is for beginner friendly. You can do this makeup less than 5 minutes, guys, which is very easy, affordable. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, which helps me, and hit that notification bell as well, guys. Let's go. I have already moisturized and primed my face, so I'm going to do my brows first, as you guys know. So please guys, never escape moisturizer and primer because they play very important roles. So okay, let's start. For the eyebrow, as usual, I'm using this Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit. First, I'm going to brush them up. Actually, हल्का फुल्का मेस हुन्छ नि कहिले कसो लाइन यहाँ हुन्छ हैन, त्यसको लागि चाहिँ डराउनु पर्दैन because we have concealer. Can see the difference. यहाँ र यहाँमा मलाई चाहिँ यस्तै खालको आइब्रो मन पर्छ, नेचुरल हैन, हल्का डार्क पनि मन पर्छ. For more natural looking eyebrows, I prefer to use this Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, which is very good, guys. It's a brows long lasting पनि हुन्छ हैन, यो पनि हुँदैन कि स्मच पनि हुँदैन. So okay, eyebrows are done, guys, so I'm going to jump onto my face. And for the foundation, today I'm going to use this foundation from Makeup Forever Ultra SD. It's very good foundation, and it's a shade Y255. So let's go. I'm going to take very minimal foundation because I don't want to look like cakey, you know. Please, cakey foundation चाहिँ एकदमै नराम्रो देखिन्छ हैन. म चाहिँ यसरी हातमा लिन्छु हैन, यसरी यति भए हुन्छ होला, I guess. Okay, beautiful eyeliner. So you can see the difference. Okay, कस्तो राम्रो नेचुरल कभर छ कि यसको, मलाई चाहिँ एकदमै मन पर्छ यो हैन. So please don't forget the neck area. अहिले चाहिँ हल्का फुल्का मात्रै. Okay, foundation done. So I'm going to move on to the concealer. For the concealer, I'm using this Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline. Yep, you can see. My god, concealer is everything. एकदम huge difference हुन्छ नि है, before concealer and after concealer, guys. Concealer is everything. Now I'm going to move on to my eye makeup. As I said, late boy eye makeup. For the eye makeup, I am using this as usual Huda Beauty Desert Ducks palette. Because they have such a beautiful sets. Today I'm going to do very natural and very simple eye makeup, guys. For the first color, I'm going to use this. For my lids and crease. Okay, next color is this nude color. Just remove the excess product, and this is for my crease. And out corner. An eyeliner. For the eyeliner, I am using this from Elegant Pro. Okay, eyeliner is done. Okay, now it's time to mascara. Okay, before mascara, I am going to curl my eyelashes. For the mascara, I am using this from Raw Couture Extreme Volume Mascara 24 Hour Catrick Cosmetics. Okay, yeah. It's time to set your foundation. Yes, it's powder time. I'm using this from MAC. तपाईहरुले चाहिँ सोध्नुहुन्छ कि मेरो फेसमा चाहिँ फाउन्डेसन एकदम उत्रिन्छ लाइक के हुन्छ बस्दैन भनेर बिकज गाइस यु हैव टु फलो मर्निङ एन्ड डेली मर्निङ एन्ड नाइट स्किन केयर रुटिन गाइस प्लिज स्किन केयर इज मस्ट बिकज इफ यु केयर योर स्किन देन मेकअप पनि एकदम राम्रो देखिन्छ सो please. Now it's time for contour. I'm using this Elegant Pro contour palette, which is look like this, and I'm in the shade medium. So it's a powder. If you guys want to use cream contour, it's up to you guys. And yes. Okay, म चाहिँ मेरो जलाइमा पनि गर्छु हैन इफ यु गाइज कोही चाहिँ चबी छ भने चाहिँ यस्तो जलाइनमा गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ एकदम हुन्छ नि स्मल फेस चाहिँ देखिन्छ हैन सो यु क्यान गो ओके एन्ड देन ब्लश I'm using this also from Elegant Pro. It says just natural blush. It's not creamy, not shimmery, it's completely powder blush. I'm using the same brush which I have used for contour. Okay, blush pani bhayo, so त्यति धेरै चाहिँ blush लगाउँदिन last, not last guys, yes, highlighter. I'm a highlighter junkie guys, which is from Fenty Beauty. Look at this, such a cute. I'm going to use this with my ring finger because it's also pretty natural design. So just like this, tip of my nose and bridge of my nose, of course my brow bone लाई चाहिँ हाइलाइट गर्नुपर्छ हैन so I'm going to apply lipstick. Before I'm going to apply lipstick, I'm going to spray some rose water on my face because it gives you natural and fresh. And for the lipstick, I am using this from Kat Von D in the shade Beloved. Of course, Beloved. Yes, it's look like this. Look at this. This is so cute printed, you know. Classic. Okay, I'm going to apply this. Okay, look at this. Oh my god. Okay guys. Okay, let me wear some jewelry. So much guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy this video and find this video helpful. What do you think about this look guys? Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. If you guys have any suggestion for me, please comment below. Okay, bye bye guys. See you. Catch you on the next video. Bye. Stay beautiful, stay positive, and once again, happy Dashain to all of you guys. Bye.